wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best ergonomic keyboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. If you're frequently on the move, the iClever BK06 can help you type comfortably when you don't have access to a full-size keyboard. It folds up compactly when not in use and connects to almost anything that uses Bluetooth. It's equipped with media control buttons and comes in at a reasonable price. However, it's not suitable for full-time use. At number 7, in keeping with its manufacturer's reputation, the Logitech Ergo K860 is a well-built device that's durable, dependable, and comfortable to use. It connects via either Bluetooth or a USB dongle and has a wrist rest made from memory foam. It works with both Windows and Mac OS and offers 0 to 7 degrees of negative tilt, but the wrist rest isn't removable. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Logitech Wave Mk 570 has a range of up to 30 feet, allowing you to type comfortably from anywhere in the room. It includes a contoured laser-grade mouse with rubber grips to ensure precise cursor control, and both items connect using the same USB dongle. It boasts up to 3 years of battery life and a reliable wireless connection. However, the number pad placement isn't ideal. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ergonomic keyboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, a significant departure from traditional layouts, the Kinesis Advantage 2 is an unusual model that aims to eliminate the physical strain associated with typing. It does have a significant learning curve, but in the end your wrists and elbows will thank you. You have a choice of 4 cherry switches, and it can be completely remapped, but it is extremely expensive. Halfway up our list at number 4. Though it isn't the company's latest release, the Kinesis Freestyle 2 Original is still highly effective and relatively affordable. A 9-inch cable connects the 2 halves, and it comes with central risers to minimize wrist strain further. It offers a 5 to 15 degree tenting angle, and the keys require little force. It doesn't make much noise either. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Mistel Barocco MD770 is offered with 6 switch types, including the advanced Cherry MX Black and Silent Red variants. It lets you save 3 layers of custom layouts in its onboard memory and change between them quickly. It comes with PBT double-shot keycaps and high-traction rubber feet, and it allows for programmed macros. At number 2, while at first glance it doesn't look too different from average models, the Microsoft Scalp has a capacity for tenting a negative tilt, as well as a curvature that mimics the shape of the hand, making it one of the most comfortable options. It includes a separate number pad and a cushioned palm rest, and it comes in at a relatively low price. And taking the top spot on our list, though marketed specifically to gamers, the latest Kinesis Freestyle Edge is one of the most capable split models available. It offers per-key RGB backlighting with multiple effects settings and your choice of 4 of the most popular mechanical switches. It boasts a 20-inch tether cable, programmable keys, and a 1 millisecond response time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ergonomic keyboards, or simply click beneath this video.